Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Trace by Babs. I've been trading since when I was 16. I started trading forex markets when I was 16. I made my first $300 at the age of 17, and now I am 18. I have refined my edge to a three simple step model named ICE, which stands for intention, correction, and execution. This is my simple approach to the market, a swing trading price action continuation approach to the market. And this approach is telling me again that BTC USD is going to $80,000. So I'm going to be breaking down the market for you with this simple approach. So without any further ado, let's get into the reason of this video. So the first thing I need you to know is that market structure. After I reduce the stuff, first thing I need to know is market structure. The intention is basically the beginning of the direction. So when you want to analyze the market, the first thing that should be on your head is where is the market going to? Where are the big players going to? And that's what the intention creates us with. The intention is basically the market showing us its hand. When the market breaks an high, that is an intention that the market is going bullish or the market is going up. Let's go down here. Bitcoin has been going down for some while now. Lower highs, lower low, lower high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower highs, lower low, equal high, which you see a lower high, equal low, a break of a what? A lower high. So from there we have gotten our first structure that Bitcoin is going up. So a break of a lower high signifies that BTC USD is going up. So this is just a break of a lower high. This is the intention. This is the high. This is the intention that the market is going up. The intention is market basically showing us its hand. And high is where sellers are. A break of that signifies that the sellers are less significant and the buyers can get dominant. So this point is pretty much where sellers have been. We have been seeing markets coming down, coming down. So it broke. It signifies that the sellers become less significant and the buyers can get in. The intention is for direction. The intention is for direction, not for entry. The intention is for direction. So the market gave us an intention that is going up. The next step after an intention is a what? A correction. A correction is an opposite move designed to trap FOMO traders and give a false movement that the market is going to change its trend. But it's simply a move that strengthens the intention and gives liquidity to the intention. So what are we saying? If the market breaks an high, it gives us an intention. We don't buy on the intention because it's basically a move that gives us just direction. We wait on intention. The intention gives us direction. And the correction gives us an opposite move that serve as a trap to FOMO traders. Let me explain that. That serve as a trap to FOMO traders. So when so many people saw that there is a break overnight, wow, Bitcoin has broken where sellers are. Let me quickly enter the market and put my stop loss below the point that broke this high. Then I watched my stop loss. What did the market do? The market went in profit small and what? Came back down and took their stop loss and started going back up again. Why? Because they were blind to the fact that the market always creates a corrective move and a corrective phase. So how do you then know? Just state it. After the market breaks an high, the next thing is a correction. So for every break of an high, expect a correction. It might not really happen every time, but strengthen your psychology and tunnel your vision to the fact that to every break of an high, there is a correction. This should be a psychological approach to the market. Do not trade intention. After intention, always wire your mindset to the fact that the market will create a corrective phase. So intention, correction, continuation. So also when you are marking out your intention, also map out the low that created the high in a bullish trend. This is the low, this is the high. The correction move should never the correction move should never break the major low that created the high. So what are we saying? This move that is coming down should never go beyond below this point. If it goes below this point, it means it is invalidated. The market is about to go bearish. So it should not break below this major low that created this higher high. So this is the higher low. So hold the intention hold here because the correction did not break the low. So after the intention, the correction, the next thing is what? The execution. Note the correction move is to create an higher low. The execution move is to create an higher high. Are you seeing this? The intention is to give direction. The correction is to create an higher low in a bullish market, and the execution is to create an higher high. The execution, this happens to continue the intention move. It is this move that creates a new higher high or a new lower low in a bullish and bearish market respectively. The execution happens when the corrective move reverses. So this is it. Once the market break an high, this is an intention. The market, let's say the market break, this was a previous high at this point. Let's say the market breaks an high. The next thing it does, because we are wired our mindset that it will always create a correction, we wait for the what? Correction move. Lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower high, break above a lower high. So this is pretty much when the correction move reverses. When the market breaks a lower high in a bearish correction, the correction is over and the execution starts in the bullish phase. So what is this trying to say? The market give us an intention, begin to give us lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower highs, break above a lower high. So this is when the execution move started. So the main goal of the correction is to create an higher low, while the main goal of the execution is to create an higher high. So this might look complicated, but in the next month I'll be creating a free playlist on YouTube on this my channel where I'll be explaining market structure, trend, indication, correction, execution, reversals, exits. So just comprehend this now and just know that Bitcoin is going to $80,000, and I'll send this in my Telegram channel. I've sent this in my Telegram channel, BTC to 80K. I've sent this in my Telegram channel. If you want to be a part of this Telegram channel, it's for free. Just check out my description on my YouTube channel. You will see the link in my YouTube channel. Follow the link and to take it to my Telegram channel. Just join and enjoy the free trades inside. Also, don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. So, pretty much when do we stop? Execution phase. So I'll be explaining this same concept, that this was this same concept that created this higher high. I'll be using it to explain why I'm buying Bitcoin at this point again. So you should know that your indication should come from an higher time frame. In the intention should come from higher time frame like the 4 hour and 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 daily for long term swing. For long term move like this, like BTC going to 80,000 is a long term move because it's a $9,000 move. So your intention should be on the 4 hour and the daily time frame. If you know this, I've speaking of taking my intention. So let's clean this. Let me go to why I am buying BTC now. So I'll mark up my lows and my high. This is the two low and high when the market was not, when the market has not created this whole move. This was where the market high. This is a low, higher low, and a higher high. This higher low, I have to find out, was there an intention that the market is going bullish before I have to continue that? Okay, I'm buying. Yes, there was an intention. Why? This was a former high. The market broke above this high. So a break of an high is an what? An intention. So this is an intention because it gave us a what? An higher high. So what higher low created the higher high? This is the higher low that created this higher high at this point. So I'm knowing that I already have my what intention. I already have my higher lows and my higher high. The intention is already there. The next thing is what correction. And I know that the correction move should not go below this higher low. The correction move should not go below this higher low. So this whole move here that happen is a correction move. It's going to take BTC to 80k. Should not take about this what this higher low. So intention is there, indication that the market is going up. It's just the market showing us this, and this is the intention. So if you are pretty much, and I said don't buy on intention. Intention is a move for direction, not for entry. If you are buying on intention, the market will create a correction and you get stopped out and you say, oh, the market is manipulated, the market, and you start to complain. That's because you are blind to the fact that the market gives an correction, the market gives a corrective phase after the intention. So I had my intention. The next thing I'll be waiting for patience is what my correction. So how do I track my